Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. So in this video, I am going to express my views about the volatility in Bank Nifty and how to beat the volatility in Bank Nifty for the rest of the days. So with respect to the Bank Nifty, I have been watching for 2 to 3 weeks. Since 2 to 3 weeks, there are a lot of volatilities in the Bank Nifty futures as well as Bank Nifty options. See, with respect to the different levels, I gather some levels for you. With respect to the current market situation, the current market price while recording this video, it is 32,169, 32,169, and it has a low as 32,115.50. It has a high at 32,622.65. And with respect to the year high and year low of Bank Nifty future, the year low is 37,708 and year low is 17,105. So, considering these levels, what I am predicting, the movement of Bank Nifty will be likewise. So, while taking a movement from 32,169, the current market price, it may go to the next level as 32,622. If it crosses 32,622, it may further reach a high of 33,330. Suppose it goes to the other way, it straight away it goes to 34,405 when it shows a full momentum. See, I repeat once again, with respect to the current market price, it may starts from 32,169. The next level it may reach to 32,622. If it crosses 32,622 and if it is firm enough, it may goes to 33,330. Suppose it has a full momentum, what it will do, it will go to next level 34,405, and if it is crosses 34,405, the ultimate level, in my prediction, the ultimate level is 34,872. 34,872 is the ultimate level. So I don't believe that it will jump there straight away from 32,169 to 34,872. It has to face lot of hurdles because it has a ultimate volatility in the market. So, with respect to the volatility in the market as well as the volatility in the Bank Nifty future, how a trader can beat this volatility? A trader who used to trade with the Bank Nifty futures, he can consider 33 points as a minimum profit making points. So, whenever there is an opportunity to go long, place an order, buy and place an order with 33 plus 33 points will give a first level profit. Once you attain the first level profit, then you can aim for another 33 points, and so on. So repeat the same for the rest of the day. Suppose it shows a full throttle movement. Instead of 33 points, you can consider 66 points. First trade, you focus on 66 plus 66 points. Second trade, 66 points. Suppose it shows a full throttle momentum, you can place a profit level of 122 points. So even 122 points is very rare because the volatility is dominating the Bank Nifty futures. And as far as the Bank Nifty option is concerned, try to do a micro trade. Whenever there is a possibility, you can go along with the Bank Nifty. You can go in call option with the minimum accessible points, say for example 16 points or 32 points, like that. Suppose it makes a reverse direction, go with the put option with 16 or 32 points. So if you want to do a linear trade, what I mean linear trade, buying and fixing a target at higher side, or if you are in the reverse direction, buying and fixing a target at the lower side. So this kind of linear trade will not work out whenever volatility dominates in the market as well as volatility dominates in the Bank Nifty itself. So this is about the my views on Bank Nifty futures and Bank Nifty options. So I request you to watch all of my videos in this channel and give a support. I'll put another video specifically for Bank Nifty futures and bank options for the forthcoming expiry of this month. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.